Yes.
Okay, good. Thank you. Just wait 5 more minutes, okay?
Okay.
Okay, class. Actually, today is our first tutorial class, and this first tutorial class is I will not take a long time for this time, but please first you have to make sure that you need to log in. Don't forget to log in your attendance for today. Okay, please don't forget to log in your attendance through Spectrum. And then class, if you have any question regarding grouping, your grouping, you can WhatsApp me through our WhatsApp group, or through personal WhatsApp. You can WhatsApp personally, or you can email, or you can also use this uh, forum. Okay, this our team forum. Either one again, and I will try to answer as soon as possible if I got your questions. No, WhatsApp group is not in our spectrum. WhatsApp group, someone created for me, and I hope someone can. Uh, okay, good. Okay, I think I will put the link into Spectrum. Okay, on our Spectrum for WhatsApp group. Okay, this is our link. This is for tutorial 3 and tutorial 4. Is it correct?
Yes.
Yes.
Oh, you combine. This is tutorial 3 and tutorial 4. Okay, class. There are some announcement that you have to know. First,
Sir, we cannot hear you.
Sir, you mute.
okay, sorry. Okay, class. Make sure first you submit your answer for your tutorial before our tutorial class start through Spectrum. Okay, and then I will before every week I will create submission link for you to submit your tutorial answer. Okay, and make sure you submit before class start. And then also not all tutorial are synchronous. Some tutorial and some lecturers we conducted asynchronous. Some synchronous, and some is non-synchronous. So please refer to MSK form or course information form. You can refer course information form or MSK form. There is you can see which week we have a face-to-face lecture and which one we don't have face-to-face lecture. So please refer to information course information form. Okay, and then also for your information, tutorial grouping are not consistent between Spectrum and Maya. Okay, Maya is different, Spectrum and different. So there is some changes after this. So you don't worry about it. Maybe because some of students ask me the name in Maya is why the name is Maya and different with the name in the list in Spectrum. So actually there is the grouping is not consistent between Spectrum and Maya. Okay, Maya we have different list of students, and Spectrum we have different list of students for all group. So don't worry about that. Your coordinator, which is Dr. Fariza, will handle this after this. Maybe after this we have some changes. Okay. So how about for tutorial 1 today? Did you submit it already?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, good. Okay, so let's quickly we just discuss tutorial 1. Okay, and please, if you have any question after this you can put in our forum. Okay, right in our forum. Okay. I think you can.
So we can hear you.
Doctor, you are muted.
Hold on. Sorry. Okay, I think you can see now. You can hear me now.
Yes.
Yeah, we can hear you now.
Okay, this is our tutorial 1, where you already got the the tutorial last today. Okay. And then this in this tutorial we have four main question. First, storage and retrieval are among the key features of DBMS. Why are they important? I think for this one, this is more on theoretical question, where you can get all the answer through reference book or through Google. If you Google if you Google from internet, you can get this answer, because this is more on theoretical question. Okay. Sorry, I'm not sure why sometimes you can see and then sometimes you cannot. Okay, and then this is first question is theoretical base, and then the second one, distinguish between data, information, and knowledge. Okay. This is also theoretical based question, where you also can get the answer from our note, from lecture note, or from reference book, or from Google. Okay. What are the problems associated with the file system also, and then how do they challenge the type of information that can be created from the data, as well as the accuracy of the information also. And then last one, this is more on practical one. So where you have to answer, you cannot get the answer from Google or from other reference book. Okay. Question number 4, answer the following question. Create a spreadsheet using the template shown in table 1 above and enter required information. Enter the class timetable of 2 of your classmates into the same spreadsheet, and discuss the redundancy and anomalies caused by the design. Okay, this is a practical one, so you cannot get the answer from the Google or something. But the number 1, number 2, number 3 is theoretical based question. A question based on theory, so you can get the answer from our note or from Google. But I will we can discuss this example, the sample or example of the answer for each question. Okay. Okay, this is example of the question, the answer for question number 1. Okay. And then if you can see here, storage and retrieval are among the key features of DBMS. Why are they important? So first, you have to give the definition what is a storage and what is a retrieval, data retrieval, information retrieval. Okay, just give a little bit definition or explanation, and then why storage important, why retrieval of data or data retrieval or information retrieval is important of DBMS. So this is from reference book or from Google. Also you can get this definition. Okay, storage, according to the principle of database system, the data is stored in such a way that it requires less space as the redundant data or duplicate data has been removed before storage. Example, customer with saving. Current, let's say we have a customer with current saving or credit card account in bank X. We have similar personal profile. Example, one even though they have 3 different accounts. Meaning here, one customer have 3 different accounts. Okay, 3 different accounts. Customer only have one table. The data for customer we can just put in one table. The rest data for this customer, like credit card account data or current current account data, the bank can put in a different table. Okay, this is why storage is what is the meaning of storage and why storage is important. And then for data retrieval mean obtaining data from database management system such as DBMS. In this case, it is considered that the data represented in a structured way and there is no ambiguity in data. Means fast retrieval of data. What is ambiguity of data? Ambiguity of data is in a case in which 2 separate pieces of data, like a customer system, had the same representation. For example, we have Frederick JS Frederick. So JS Frederick can be Frederick James Smith or Frederick John Smith. This is example of data ambiguity. Okay. So this is example of answer for question number 1. And then for question number 2, distinguish between data, information, and knowledge. Which one is stored in database? So if you look here, you can directly know which one is stored in database. First, you have to distinguish what is data, what is information, and what is a knowledge. And the other one, by looking here, I think automatically you can know which one is stored in database. Can you answer which one? Is it information stored in database, or knowledge, or data?
Data.
Yes, correct, data. Because information is a data. We analyze the data and then we get some result. The result from data analyzing is information. So information we can create from the data. We can get from the data after we analyze the data. Same like knowledge. Also, we can get the knowledge from the information or from the data after we analyze them. So actually the data is okay. The data here, the data are raw fact. This is from our notes. The data is raw fact where information is processed data to reveal the meaning behind the facts. And knowledge are fact, information, and skill acquired through experience or education. Okay, so knowledge come later after fact, information, and skill acquired through experience or through education. So the theoretical or practical understanding of a subject. So this is the definition or the differences between what are data, what is data, the information, and knowledge. And then this is also here you can look the meaning of data, information, and so on. Okay, and then lastly, which one is stored in database? Actually, data is the one stored in database, not information. Why? Because the row of column alone does not bring any meaning until it was analyzed. So actually, meaning here, all the data after all the data that's stored in a database, we must analyze that to get in order to get the information. Okay, so information is the data. Information is the data after we analyze the data. Information is the processed data. Okay, the processed data. And then number 3, what are the problems associated with a file system? How do they challenge the type of information that can be created from the data, as well as the accuracy of the information? Okay. Also, like I said earlier, this question is theoretical based question, question based on theory. So if the question is based on theory, so you can get the answer just by reading or refer to reference book or from internet also you can. Okay, because this is theory, so you can get the data or the information related this theory. Okay, so but this is example of the answer for question number 3. Okay, this is also from what we call from internet and also from textbook. Okay, I think you can read length of development time. Okay, difficulty of getting quick answer. Okay. The following problem is associated with file system, whether created by data processing specialist or through a series of spreadsheet. Several challenge the type of information that can be created from the data as well as the accuracy of the information. Is first, lengthy development time. Okay, and then this is the explanation. What is the meaning of lengthy development time? The first and most glaring problem where the file system approaches the even the simplest data retrieval task require intensive program and so on. Okay, I think you can read this answer, but the main point here, you can get the answer through from our reference book or from our lecture note or from our internet or Google. Okay. Okay, this is also some example. Also can refer to this answer. Example answer for question number 3, which is what are the problems associated with file system? File system, where meaning is what we call we store the data in file, but we have one term, traditional method. Okay, traditional method. File system is more on traditional method of storing the data. Okay. And then this is question number 4. Answer the following question. First, create a spreadsheet using a template showing table above and enter a requirement information. So you just create this table and then fill up the table with the information that required. Okay, enter the class time. Enter the class timetable of 2 of your classmates into the same spreadsheet. So you just enter matric number, but you must enter 2 of your classmates, the data of 2 of your classmates. So classmate 1 and classmate 2. Matric number for classmate 1 and matric number for classmate 2. And name for classmate 1 and name for classmate 2 and so on. Okay. After that, discuss the redundancy and anomalies caused by this design. So first you have, if this question, like say, if this is your final question, so you draw the table and then you put all the information in the table, and then you discuss the redundancy and anomalies caused by design. So after this is example from this is just example. We have two classmate name, which is one is Shuhada, the other one is Tazvini. Okay, and then we also have two different metric number for Tazvini and Shuhada. And then for Shuhada, we has a class code, which is for subject, database, and then class code for subject software modeling, probability statistic, thinking, communication skill, project management. Also same like Shuhada, we have a class code for database, software modeling, probability, and so on. And then we also have class credit, 3, and so on. And then lecturer name, credit hours, lecturer name, class day or class time. Okay, this class days, Tuesday, Monday, Tuesday, and class time and room, DK1, and so on. And then the question asks you to discuss the redundancy and anomalies caused by design. If you look to this design, okay, you can see so many redundancy here. Okay, so many redundancy. Redundancy meaning repetition of student, repetition of data. Okay, here you can see repetition of student name, course name, credit hour, and SR. So we have repetition of student name, which is Shuhada. Repetition of class name, which is database. We have two database repetition. We have two software modeling class name. So, and then we also have repetition of lecturer name, which is Dr. Mai. Dr. Mai, we have two Dr. Mai here. We have two Dr. Au here. And then we have repetition of room and so on. Okay, repetition of credit hour and so on. Okay. So this is redundancy. Okay, how about anomalies? Okay, what is anomalies first? Anomalies are problems that can occur in proper, poorly planned, unnormalized database where all the data is stored in one table, which is a flat file database. This is a flat file database where all the data is stored in one table. So we have a problem with anomalies. Okay, first, deletion anomalies. A record of data can legitimately be deleted from a database, and the deletion can result in the deletion of the only instance of other required data. Example here. Deleting a book from library, member can remove all detail in the part. This is actually just example. Actually, if you delete one data, let's say you want to delete the data, one data for database. Let's say you want to delete the data here. If you delete data, let's say you want to delete a class, a code, class, a course, a class name, or subject for Shuhada, which is database. If you delete database, you will delete also the lecturer name, student also, and all other information in this row you also lost if you delete one particular of data. Okay, so this is a problem about anomalies. Okay, why anomalies is a problem for this design? Because the data are stored in one table. Okay, in one table, a flat, we call a flat file database. Actually, for this one, for this example of data, we have stored. We need to store all the data in different table. For example, table lecturer. Maybe we have one table database for lecturer, one database for student, one database for course name. So we have different database for a different type of data. So if we store this data in different database, anomalies will not occur. Okay, because in this example, because we stored all the data in one table, so anomalies is one type of problem of this type of design of database. Okay. Class, you understand about anomalies now?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So I think I think that's all for our tutorial. Okay. I can upload this answer in our Spectrum. You can refer, but please remember for the theory part, the theory based question. Like question number 1, theoretical. This is example of question that the answer you can get from internet, or you can get from book. Maybe your answer is slightly different with your member answer. Okay, so because maybe you from other references, the definition of storage is slightly different explanation, and other reference book the definition or the meaning of data receiver is quite different. So overall the answer is the answer for theory part you can get from you can get directly from our reference book or our Google or notes. Okay. Class, I think that's all for our tutorial 1. Do you have any question, class? Actually, inserted in actually for insertion anomalies where you want to insert the data, and the data, a list of data, and list of data have a same data in a database. That one in insertion anomaly. So actually, if the data is already in database, actually we cannot to add a data unless another data unavailable. Okay, so this is insertion. Deletion, if you want to delete a data and the other data also lost. Okay, that related with the data they want to delete. Wrong key in data is not considered as anomaly. Let's say you want to insert data, but the data is already available. You cannot insert data. This one is insertion anomaly. Yes. Deletion anomaly means, let's say, one row we want to delete. I just give this example, okay? Let's say we have this kind of design of the database. You want to delete the data, the class name, like see for Shuhada, you want to delete class name database from Shuhada. If you delete class name for database for Shuhada, okay, you will delete also all the data that related to database for Shuhada. You will delete also Shuhada. You also will delete Dr. Mai, the name the name of lecturer. You also will delete the room and so on, because you want to delete the class name database for Shuhada. So meaning that if you delete database, you will delete all this row for Shuhada. Okay. Dr. Mai also you will delete Dr. Mai name. And then here also, because you want to delete, you want to delete the database. This also will lose. Okay. But okay, this is the problem of design of flat file database. Anomalies, okay. Okay, class. I think that's all. Okay, for now. And then Okay, I will just give me your name. I will try to search your name, whether your name is already as a member or not. Okay. Uh, WhatsApp to me your name, or just put your name in the forum. I will add your name in this tutorial. Okay. And then class, please refer to your MSK or information course information form. Next week we don't have face-to-face lecture or tutorial. Next week is a non-face-to-face class. I will separate. Actually, we must separate WhatsApp group between tutorial 3 and tutorial 4. So tutorial 3 and tutorial 4, your WhatsApp group actually must different, must be separated. So I will. Now we already have link for WhatsApp group for tutorial 3, and for tutorial 4, I will also put on a spectrum for their link, and then you can join them. Okay. Okay, there is already spread. Okay, spread WhatsApp group for tutorial 3 and tutorial 4. Okay, already separate. So just give me the link, and I will put the link in spectrum. Okay. So everybody can join our WhatsApp group. Okay. This is for the link for tutorial 3. Okay, class. Actually, we have we already have tutorial 4 and tutorial 3 spread, and then maybe I will put this link into our spectrum, and then for those easy for you to join this WhatsApp group, whether you are from tutorial 3 or tutorial 4. Okay. Okay, class. I think okay. I think that's all for now. Okay, and then if you have any question, you can put in our forum. Okay.
All right, Doctor. Thank you, Doctor.
Thank you,
Okay,
Doctor.
Okay, class. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, class. Okay, class. Okay, class. Don't forget. Next week we don't have any. We don't have face-to-face class. Okay. Next week is non-face-to-face class. Tutorial also we don't have face-to-face. Next week is non-face-to-face tutorial and lecture.
Okay, Doctor.
Okay. But please be okay. Please refer to our MSK, because in our MSK, week 3 is a face-to-face week. So we have face-to-face lecture and face-to-face tutorial on week 3. Week 2 we don't have any face-to-face. Okay.
Okay.
But okay, but you also need to log in for your attendance, whether a lecture or tutorial for every week.
Okay, Doctor.
Okay. Thank you.
Doctor, you will upload the tutorial 1 answer to Spectrum, right?
Okay, I will upload later. Okay.
All right. Thank you, Doctor.
Okay, bye.
Thank
But-
you, Doctor.
But that one is just a guideline. Okay, guideline of the the answer of our tutorial. Just guideline. Okay.
We need a reference.
Maybe you can get another answer from other reference book or other notes or other internet. Okay.
All right, Doctor.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Thank you all.
Thank you, Doctor.
Okay. Bye.
Thank you, Doctor.
Okay.
Thank you, Doctor.
Thank you, Doctor.